Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of The Customer's House. I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. We're out here in Salina at Great Lakes St. Mary's, and we're going to be doing a 9-foot sliding glass door, which is a 3-panel door. So let's go on up to the house and we'll take a look. Here we are at the back door. This is a original door from when the house was built. It is won't say the name of the manufacturer, but it's a wood door with cladding over top of it, and it's starting to wear out pretty bad, so the customer wants to get a new one. They're actually going to go with a dark brown on the exterior and a cherry interior, but we're here before the guys get out, so let's go inside and take a look what that looks like so you can see the before and after transformation once the guys get done with the install. All right, thanks for coming inside with me. So on the inside, you'll see it's got the wood. They're actually going to go with a cherry laminate on the inside. And if you look over here, there's a 2-inch jam extension. We're going to be replacing that with cherry wood, as well as the color matching on the trim. So when the guys get done, everything's going to go ahead and be brand new, talking about trim, door, exterior capping, and everything. So can't wait to see the finished product. All right, we are back. The guys are done with the install. Got this 3-panel Provia sliding glass door with a cherry interior. And then they also put up new trim and jam extension, so the whole entire opening is brand new. None of the old stuff. So on these doors, don't forget about this AccuLock system for the three-point locking system that goes up in there. But let's hop outside and see what it looks like out there. All right. So here we are on the outside. It's pretty basic. Once the door was installed, the guys put the capping up around it to seal it all off. Everything looks good. It's got your center sliding screen, so it slides, covers the door so they can open up that door, get some breeze in. But here we are. This wraps up this episode of The Customer's House up here in Salina on Lake St. Mary's. So peace out, everybody.